How are you?
I'm very nervous, but it's okay.
Nervous is good. Let's start with your name, please.
My name is Danelia.
And where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Wow. Who did you travel with?
I'm with my mom.
Yeah? And how old are you?
I'm 13.
And I'm guessing you're a singer?
Yes, I am. When I sing,
So why did you decide to travel all this way to come on America's Got Talent?
Because it was my dream to come here, and I watched like 100 of videos, and every time it seemed very unreachable and impossible, and I can't believe.
Well, you're here. Good luck.
Mama always told me that I was so naive, you and my trust no pennies. I said, don't you worry, didn't think that I'd be broken down and crying. Help me, ride, die, hard, and die. All you do is come around and scare me, took all that.